If you've been dealing with chronic pain and searching for a drug-free solution that might actually work, this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Caroline, and today we're doing a hands-on Novaa Light Pad review, one of the best infrared light red therapy pads made for home use. I'll show you exactly what's in the box, how it works, and whether it lives up to the reputation, so you can decide whether it's worth your money. Quick heads up, I've got an exclusive discount code just for our viewers. So if you've already been thinking about trying the Novaa Light Pad, stay tuned, or scroll down to the description to grab the pad with a discounted deal tailored specifically for you. All right, let's see what's actually in the box, because with devices like this, the setup experience says a lot. We have our user manual. I'm sure that will come in handy. We've got all our cords and cables and our remote. And very important, our wall outlet. So here's the Novaa Pad itself. And here's the stretchy strap to secure the device around your body. This is if you want to put it around your waist, around your neck, someplace like this. This is going to hold it in place. So now let's take a look at how you use the Novaa Light Pad and what features set it apart from other red light devices. So I have plugged this into the wall, and what I really like about this is it's built to move with you. It's really flexible, it's soft, it's light. So I could take this after I charge it up, I could take it and exercise with it, I could meditate with it, I could move around the house and do things. So these plus or minus buttons tell me how long I want to use the timer for, or how long I want to use the pad for. So they recommend using it for 10 to 20 minutes. And then I can choose what mode I want. Either red plus near, or just red light, or just NIR light, and then the frequency that I want it with. Now, it recommends when you first start it to go with steady, but it also can tell you by the number of hertz. All right, so I've got it all set up, I'm ready to go. I've decided to put it on my wrist. I've been a little bit sore here with exercising, carrying my 3-year-old around. So I'm going to put this and wrap it up, and I can even do it with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so. Okay, so it's nice and secure. I'll set the timer to 18 and press start. So if this wasn't plugged in, I could, to the wall, I could walk around, do yoga, cook, do whatever I needed to do in my house while I was doing this. One thing that I noticed is that I expected it to feel hot, and it doesn't actually feel hot. It's just red light therapy. The pad is soft and flexible, so it easily wraps around anywhere on your body. So I have it on my wrist, but I could put it on my neck, my lower back, my knees, wherever you would need it the most. So you just secure it with the included strap, plug it in, and use the remote control to start your session. No app required, which I love. I'm not tech savvy, and no headaches regarding that. I also really like how the whole setup is silent, it's portable, easy to pack up, and I can take it with me. I could put it in my purse, and if I was waiting in line someplace and I felt like I needed to use it, I could put it right on, and people would hardly know. Now, a quick heads up on usage. Like any therapy device, how often you use it depends on the manufacturer's guidelines. For the best results, Novaa recommends using the pad for 10 to 20 minutes per area, 3 to 5 times a week. So it's easy to fit into your routine without overthinking it. And here's an interesting thing. It doesn't heat up like a heating pad. That's what I was expecting. This is a low-level light therapy, so it's totally non-invasive and comfortable. No heat, just light energy at work. And what I really like is that it's portable and hands-free. I don't have to keep it there in place. It's got this handy strap, and those other bulky red light panels have you stuck in one place. This you can wear it while you're working, reading, watching TV, anywhere. One more thing. If you're still on the fence, here's why this is a low-risk decision. The Novaa Light Pad comes with a 60-day risk-free trial, a 1-year warranty, and it's HSA and FSA eligible, so you can use pre-tax dollars if you've got a health savings account. It's a no-commitment way to see if red light therapy works for you. And right now we have this discount just for Healthnews viewers. So tap the link in the description below or scan the QR code on screen to claim your offer. Devices like the Novaa Light Pad use specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light, typically around 660 to 850 nanometers, to stimulate biological processes in the body. This technique is known as photobiomodulation therapy. When applied to the skin, this light is absorbed by your mitochondria, the part of your cells that produces energy. This process is suggested to increase ATP production, which is thought to be associated with faster healing and better cell function. Let's break it down into 3 key benefits: nerve pain relief, joint pain relief, and muscle pain and recovery. First up, red light therapy has shown promise in reducing symptoms of neuropathy and nerve-related pain by decreasing inflammation and promoting nerve regeneration. Secondly, the science on joint pain is still mixed. Devices like the Novaa Light Pad are designed for localized use, which may offer more targeted support, especially for mild stiffness and inflammation in the knees, wrists, or shoulders. And the final benefit is muscle pain and recovery. This is where the most convincing evidence lies. Multiple systematic reviews and meta-analyses have found that red light therapy can help reduce muscle soreness, speed up recovery, and improve performance after intense exercise. While the Novaa Light Pad is generally safe, there are a couple of things to keep in mind, especially if you have sensitive skin or certain health conditions. Some users may notice mild skin sensitivity or experience a bit of dryness or tightness after sessions. That's normal and usually temporary. Overexposure might also pose some danger. Therefore, just follow the manufacturer's instructions on how often you should use the Novaa Light Pad. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, on photosensitizing medications, or have a history of skin cancer, be sure to check with your healthcare provider before using any kind of light therapy. So, the final verdict. Who's the Novaa Light Pad for? It could be a great option if you sit for long hours and struggle with neck or back stiffness, if you're an older adult dealing with age-related joint pain, or if you're active and want to speed up muscle recovery after workouts. The Novaa Light Pad is also a solid choice for anyone looking for a non-invasive, drug-free way to help manage mild pain or inflammation at home. That said, it's definitely not a magic fix. Red light therapy works gradually, so if you're hoping for instant relief, this may not be for you. And for more serious or medically complex pain like advanced arthritis or herniated discs, it's best to talk to a healthcare provider first. If you're curious to try the Novaa Light Pad, don't forget to grab that exclusive discount code in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and while you're here, check out some of our other Health News reviews. We cover all things health tech.